I know there are tons of videos out there promising they want to teach you how mini importation works. But mind you, most of these individuals have not even launched a business in years. As you can see on your screen, this is a recent mini importation business I just launched. And my goal in this video is to take you through how I was able to achieve this, and you can literally copy my strategies. Without wasting so much of your time, let's get started. The first step to launching a mini importation business is finding the product customers are demanding. I know you have a question. Are there still product opportunities out there now that everyone is coming into mini importation? As someone who has been doing mini importation since 2019, my answer is yes, there are loads of opportunities. More people are buying online, and now it's down to you as a business owner to actually find products that can generate revenue for your business. So here's the thing, finding the right product determines the success or the early demise of your business. And I'm not surprised why most beginners and people who actually cannot spend so much time validating their product ideas tend to actually get out of business faster. So in this section, I'm going to show you the tools and strategies that my business used to actually find the right product that increases our revenue and also get us more product. To find best-selling product for my mini importation business, I used the Robotdorm Product Explorer tool, as you can see on your screen. I also left a link in the description section of this video if you want to follow along this tutorial. As you can see, you have access to 9 countries, and what we are doing here is actually getting data from Jumia. As you all know, Jumia is the biggest e-commerce platform in Africa. There we can discover products that are actually just growing and ones that are established. And from there, we can pick up products that we can sell to our customers. So you can see I chose Nigeria as my marketplace because that's where I have most of my mini importation businesses. I love selling gadgets, so I'm choosing the phones and tablets. And I'm a fan of phone accessories. And mind you, this is just for teaching purpose. You are free to actually choose other categories. And there I'll be pressing the exclude brand button, which allows me to actually get products that are not from established brands. On clicking this, I will have access to all these products, and then I can start like drilling down on finding product that actually fits my budget. If you want to actually dive deeper into like product research using Robotdorm, I have a video on this channel that actually takes you to how you can do like deep product research. Let's just look into this just now. So you can see this is a tripod stand selfie stick. This product goes for 14,000 naira and it has sold estimated of 5,000. Which means the seller has made around 75 million naira. You can also have access to the seller, so you can actually, let me just show you just now. So you see I click that, then I have all the product the seller is selling, which is really amazing. So let me just show you how I do my product research. So after I've picked the categories and the subcategories that I'm interested in, let's say I'm interested in this tripod stand selfie sticks. So my next step is to actually look at the sale history. So I'm interested in how well the product has done in the last year to actually know if the demand is not seasonal. So I'm pressing the sales history button. It's going to take a few seconds, and that would show us the trend of the product. So one of the things that I could notice that the product has been active since June of 2022, and in the last 3 months the product I sold like 53 units. For me, this product is not something I would like to go into. It's been established, which means it might not be just what I want. So I'm looking for a product that is just launched recently. So one of the ways we could do that is using the pagination button. For example, this product has made around 5 million naira and the price is 6,000 and they've sold 840. So this is sort of the perfect product for someone who is actually just starting out. So on looking at this product, you can see it's a cooler, and from my experience, this is for gamers. So first thing we need to do is to check the sales history. Are people buying it just now, and was it just launched recently? This is what I'm saying. So this product was launched last year, and in the last 3 months, it has sold 149 products in the last 3 months. And you can see the trend here since it's been launched. So there are other ways you could actually validate it by taking this keyword, putting it on Google Trends, which I won't be showing in this video. to actually show you if people are searching for it. So let's say I've found this product and I think, yeah, this is something I want to sell. So you could just save this product and you can always go back to see your product. This is the product saved, and from here you can find suppliers and continue. After validating the products you want to invest in, the next crucial step in terms of launching a mini importation business is determining where you want to sell your product. Where you want to find your customers. When it comes to this issue, there are two main options I believe you have. You either sell your product on marketplaces like Jumia, Konga, or you decide to actually go independently, selling on social media platforms like TikTok, which is prevalent, Instagram, or hosting your own website, which you could build on Shopify. So this issue is actually one of personal preference. It depends on your resources and your experience. But for my experience, if you're just starting out in mini importation, you should try selling on marketplaces, because selling on marketplaces provide you with customers. For example, Jumia has like millions of customers. They help you do shipping, which shields you from the operational difficulties that many importers make in terms of if you're an independent one, because then you have to, like as with a delivery company, you have to handle returns, you have to arrange payment with your users. So when you decide this, then the next step will be finding a supplier and purchasing your product. When it comes to finding suppliers, for me, I have solely been using 1688, as I can order my product directly from Chinese suppliers. So one of the biggest reasons why 1688 is great for mini importation business is that it cuts down the cost, and recently you can actually order product using your card. So if you have a global card, it allows you to purchase abroad. That's great. You don't need to pay anyone to exchange naira to yuan or Kenyan shillings to yuan anymore. With your card, you can actually pay a Chinese supplier. So I'm going to share my screen to show you how I actually find suppliers on 1688. At the product research phase, we found this product. Now let's say you figured out, I want to sell on Jumia, and the next stage for you is to actually get this product to wherever your country is, let's say Nigeria. So first thing, you have to just download the picture. So I prefer using the image search feature in 1688. What you do is just click on this button and then you pick the image, and that would then do an image search to actually get you the best supplier. So these are the suppliers you can work with, and from there you can look at their listing. The best way for you to translate this to English from Chinese simplified. Sure, the supplier has more experience, and you can look at the reviews. So for example, let's look at this listing. One of the things you should also do is, if you, for example, we are looking at this product from Jumia, is to make sure the description of the product matches what you have on 1688. So if that's okay with you, if you have any questions, you can easily, this button is for you to actually ask questions from the suppliers. For example, this is one of my recent orders. I did chat the supplier, and yeah, they replied. So from there you can purchase your products just like this. These are some of, I'm building up my purchase vehicle, as it's called, and then from there you can just use your card. I'm gonna shoot a video on how I actually purchase rate time on 1688. Yeah, that's how you can find your suppliers in China. Simple, easy, no middleman. You can actually retain the profit for your product without you paying someone $50 or even paying someone to actually exchange naira to yuan. So that's all in this video. I've covered how you can find products that are selling, the platform options for you if you're a beginner. You either sell on Jumia or you sell independently, and I've also covered supplier. These are the strategies I use to actually launch my mini importation business. If you find value in this tutorial, kindly leave a comment, subscribe for more videos. Yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Cheers.